Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. We got a rigid sealed tank with a volume of 1.9 meters cubed and a mass of 41 kilograms at a temperature of 91 degrees Celsius with a saturated mixture of water. Heat is added until it becomes fully saturated vapor. Find the temperature at which it becomes fully vapor and draw the TV diagram. Step 1, draw your free body diagram, your FBD. This will help you visualize the problem. We got a rigid tank with a saturated mixture of water. We want to find the temperature when it becomes fully vapor. Step 2, list all the given variables, find the unknown. So we want to find the saturation temperature when it becomes vapor. And we want to draw the TV diagram. So step 3, draw the TV diagram. Your y-axis is your temperature, your x-axis is your specific volume. Here is the saturation curve. We are inside the zone for the saturated mixture. So state 1 is your initial state, state 2 is the final state. Okay, and the arrow is pointing to the saturation line where it becomes saturated vapor. Okay, step 4, find the temperature. We're given volume and mass, so that means we can divide the actual volume by mass to get the specific volume. Step 5, find the formula as stated. So specific volume, little v, is equal to capital V divided by m, so actual volume divided by mass. That gives us specific volume. Step 6, plug and play. So our specific volume is 0.046 meters cubed per kilogram. Both the actual volume and mass is given in the question. Step 7, check the property table with the specific volume that we just found. Go to your temperature table because that's what we want to find. Go to your specific volume. Check the specific volume against the saturated vapor. So, as you can see, it is in between the ranges of 0.050085 and 0.045941. So we went to the specific volume for saturated vapor first, although if you didn't know where to look, you should check both the saturated liquid and saturated vapor. But since the question stated it was going to be saturated vapor, we went there and checked the vapor first. You should always check both. Alright, so that means our temperature is going to be in between these ranges, so that means we need to linear interpolate. So step 8, linear interpolate. We're going to use the general formula for the ratio method for linear interpolation, which is this. On the left hand side is the temperature, the right hand side is the specific volume. So our temperature, when the saturated mixture becomes fully saturated vapor at the specific volume of 0.046 meters cubed per kilogram, is 254.92 degrees Celsius. Disclaimers: the method is correct, however I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Now before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things happen. You can do this by using Snipping Tool. If you never used Snipping Tool before, follow these instructions. Click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not in your taskbar, go to your Windows search, type in Snipping Tool, open up the program. Click on Video option, click on New. Left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the stop button and snipping tool, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish, hit the red square and snipping tool to stop recording and then save your video. Thanks for watching, hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe, share with your friends because this is a made up question so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, or if you find a mistake in the video, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.